Welcome to the guide on how to use your own Google Tag Manager container using the Conversios plugin. Go to the Google Tag Manager feature from the Conversios Pro dashboard. Now you will be redirected to an interface like this, and you can see the option to use your own container. Our plugin, by default, adds Google Tag Manager to your e-commerce store, which will instantly help you track events via data layer if you wish to use your own container. Click on Use Your Own Google Tag Manager Container, and you will see two options for using your own Google Tag Manager container. First, let us see how Automatic works. You just need to sign in with Google, select your Google Tag Manager email address, allow some access to your Google account, select Google Tag Manager Account Container ID from the drop-down, and your Google Tag Manager container is added to Conversios Pro plugin. If you don't have Google Tag Manager account, you can create from here with few clicks. Here you can see Revenue Tracking option. There's 3 check boxes where you can enable any options to track your revenue accordingly. Click Save and your Google Tag Manager is automatically connected to Conversios plugin. Now let's quickly see how manual Google Tag Manager implementation works. Go to Google Tag Manager, select Manual. To add your Google Tag Manager container ID, go to your Google Tag Manager account. Click on the top right, you can see your Google Tag Manager ID. Just copy and paste it into the plugin and you are done. Note, for using your own container, you can follow the guide to set up the container in your account. Click Save and your Google Tag Manager is now manually connected to Conversios plugin. That's how you can use your own Google Tag Manager container in a few minutes using Conversios. Thanks for watching.